Hey, my besties, how y'all feeling? Y'all feeling good? I hope and pray all is well in your world. Welcome back for another video. There's not going to be any talking in this video, so I'm just going to break in right here, let y'all know what's happening, and then let you get into the video. I got 2 recipes, got some living room redo. As you can see in my background, my office is no longer in there. We had to move the girls' beds around, and I had to take my oldest child out of that room because her bed was blocking the heat. So in order for them to have heat in their room, we had to take the bed down. So you already know. And for those of y'all that have been with me for a minute, you know how it is. My house is my house. It's small, it's tiny. Trying to get 7 people living in a technically 2-bedroom house, even though they said it's 3. It's not big enough for 7 people. It really isn't. So I'm making it work. As y'all know, that's what I do. I make it work, and I show you how to make it work. I show you how to live your best life on a tuna fish budget. Excuse the noise outside, because y'all know I live in the hood. You're gonna hear all the hood noises. Just as long as they don't start shooting, we good. But anyway, love y'all, love y'all, love y'all. If you're new, please click that subscribe button. It doesn't cost me anything, and it really helps my channel out. For all my returning besties, my new besties, I got some new ones, y'all. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Y'all are the best. Y'all are the best besties there are. I love y'all so much. Thank you for rocking with me. Folks are sick in my house, so this video is not very long. It's quite short, and I just wanted to get it in there to you because, you know, I got to give y'all something. I let y'all know something, you know, because everybody needs some encouragement. And I don't know what your week looks like, but I need to encourage you, and I need to make sure that you stay motivated. So that's what we're doing today. We're going through all of that stuff. Now, make sure you click that subscribe button. You make sure you smash that like button. Comment down below. Leave me a comment or an emoji. It's up to you. Now, you know what it is, and you know what we do. Let's get it.
Now, is that you're doing well, you're doing well. Don't fall for it. Don't listen to them. Just follow the light. You're almost there. Just open your eyes. It's right there. Just follow the light. You're almost there. Just open your eyes. It's right there. Don't be afraid. Be strong. You're not alone. Take a deep breath and realize. Trust in yourself. I promise you'll find hope. Oh, you'll be alright. You'll be alright. Only your heart can tell you what is right. You really should listen to yourself. The only thing that truly matters now is that you're doing well. You're doing well, yeah. Don't fall for it. Don't listen to them, baby. Just follow the light. You're almost there. Just open your eyes. It's right there. Just follow the light. You're almost there. Just open your eyes. It's right there. Just follow the light. You're almost there. Just text, I know it's a toss up, but I hate the fact that we lost touch. Ayy, the Uber pulling up on call. Tell me, is you trying to fall through? I'ma leave it up to you. What you wanna do? Look, I'm trying to spend this time with you. Know we overdue. What you doing right now? Baby, won't you swing my way? It's been a day and I've been thinking out loud. I know I want you. Long time since the last time. Got a tab, we could run up. Knew you from the way, now we grown up. My look, yeah, made the realest ones nervous. But if you want it, tap in. I think that I know somewhere that we could go to Crashland. We could keep the pace on slow jam. Don't leave me on red. Can we go back where we first began? No plans, all we had was the moment. This text, I know it's a toss-up. We was raised a little different. Used to be ashamed who I was, now I'm paid by the sentence. Taking my time with it. Baby, give me yours, so I could get them butterflies trapped in your ribcage. Let me know we on the same page. Give me with a text, voice note, or an emoji. Waiting all day for your name on the ID. So if you want it, tap in. I think that I know some